Are you silently sabotaging your confidence? Let me ask you something first. What if the quiet habits you ignore are the same habits blocking your best life? What if one tiny habit you repeat without noticing is the reason you feel stuck in your comeback? You will hear simple strategies in this audiobook. You will learn how self-sabotage hides inside your mornings, your thoughts, and your small choices. You will get tools you can use today. The plan is simple and fast. You can rebuild your confidence with small actions. You can create calmer mornings, clearer decisions, and a steady sense of control in 1 week. You are here because you keep trying to grow, but something keeps pulling you back. Maybe it feels like procrastination. Maybe it feels like doubt. You will learn how to stop these patterns and build the comeback you want. Keep listening, because each tip gives you one concrete shift that works in daily life. Let's start with tip 1. It is one of the easiest places where self-sabotage hides. Tip 1. You answer to your thoughts more than you answer to your goals. Many people repeat quiet lines that drain courage. The lines sound like facts. They sound small. They feel familiar. This is the first form of self-sabotage. It is fast and silent. Take 10 seconds today and notice the first negative line that appears in your mind. Notice the tone. Notice the trigger. For example, Sarah used to say, "I never finish things." She felt tired after thinking it. She did not question the line. She accepted it. The fix is simple. Replace the line with a short counterline. Keep it simple. I finish what matters. Say it once. Breathe, then move. This works because it interrupts the old pattern. It creates a new cue. It frees space. You will feel less mental clutter by tomorrow. You will feel one step closer to your goals. Next, you will break the loop that kills motivation before you even start. Tip 2. You delay quick tasks because your brain thinks they are bigger than they are. Self-sabotage grows inside delay. Delay creates stress. Stress creates doubt. Doubt stops action. Fix it with the 2-minute start. You choose any task. You decide on the smallest action that fits into 2 minutes, then you start it. A listener named Jenna used this to clean her inbox. She only planned to open 1 email. She ended up clearing 10 because she created motion. Action builds confidence faster than thinking about action. This rule works with workouts, budgeting, journaling, and morning prep. You will finish more tasks this week. Your self-trust will rise because you see progress. Now let's hit the pattern that lowers your energy without warning. Tip 3. You drain confidence when you overcommit. Many people say yes even when they feel tired. This is a hidden trap. It looks kind. It feels normal. Saying yes to everything creates resentment. It also trains your mind to ignore your limits. Use the pause rule. When someone asks for your time, pause for 3 seconds. Breathe, then answer with real clarity. A listener named Kai tried this at work. He paused. He asked one question. He said no. He felt free. This rule protects your energy. It trains your mind to honor your real capacity. You will feel more control in social and work choices. You will protect your confidence instead of leaking it. Tip 4 helps you stop another sneaky form of self-sabotage. It shows up when you feel behind. Tip 4. You compare your pace to someone else's highlight. Comparison blocks progress. It steals focus. It shifts your attention from effort to outcome. Use the one-window rule. Look at your own progress for 1 minute. Notice one thing you improved. Name it. Repeat this daily. A listener named Tony noticed he woke up earlier 3 days in a row. He felt proud. That small pride created more movement. You will feel calmer. You will feel grateful for your own path. Your confidence will rise because you pay attention to your effort. Now we reach a deeper layer of self-sabotage. It hides inside your personal story. Tip 5. You hold old stories that no longer fit your goals. Your story shapes your actions. If your story says you struggle, you will act like you struggle. Shift the story by writing one new line every morning. Keep it simple and direct. For example, I can handle this day. Repeat it. Say it out loud. A listener named Maya wrote one line each morning for a month. She noticed less fear during hard calls. Your mind responds to repetition. Your confidence grows as the new story sinks in. You will feel grounded each morning. You will feel steady when facing challenges. You are doing powerful work. Next, a tip that fixes low energy fast. Tip 6. You think you need motivation when you actually need recovery. Many people sabotage their confidence by running on empty. They ignore signals from their body. Use a 60-second reset. Sit, drop your shoulders, slow your breath, let your mind settle. One listener used this before stressful meetings. He felt less reactive. He spoke with more strength. Confidence grows from a calm baseline. Calm gives you mental space. Your energy levels rise. Your reactions soften. You feel more stable each day. Tip 7 reveals a pattern tied to self-sabotage and scarcity mindset. Tip 7. You hold back because you fear losing something even when there's nothing to lose. Scarcity mindset controls silent choices. You may avoid big moves because you feel unprepared. Use the next step rule. Ask yourself one question. What is the next tiny action I can take? A listener named Ria used this rule during a career switch. She sent one message, it opened one door. That door changed her path. You reduce fear when you focus on the next step, not the whole journey. You feel lighter, you gain motion, you gain steady confidence. Tip 8 will help you stop perfection habits that slow your comeback. Tip 8. You wait for the perfect moment when you only need the next moment. Perfection is a classic sabotage trigger. It delays action, it creates fear of mistakes. Use the 80% rule. Aim for good. Do not aim for perfection. Try it with writing an email or planning your day. Finish when it feels good, not flawless. One listener used this rule to start posting her work. Her confidence grew with each attempt. You work faster, you enjoy your tasks more, your self-trust increases. We are halfway. If you want more short rituals like this, subscribe now and replay Tip 2 tomorrow morning. Tip 9. You ignore small wins because you think they are not enough. This is quite a sabotage. You finish things, but you skip the celebration. You move on fast. Try the 3-second win check. After you finish anything, pause for 3 seconds and acknowledge it. A listener named Leo used this to calm work stress. He felt proud of small wins. That pride created more consistency. You feel motivated. You feel stronger each week. You build long-term confidence. Tip 10. Tackle procrastination from a new angle. Tip 10. You procrastinate because the task feels unsafe, not because you were lazy. Your brain protects you from discomfort. It labels tasks as threats. Use a comfort primer. Sit for 30 seconds. Say one line. This is safe. Then start. A listener tested this during a tough phone call. He felt less fear. He acted faster. Your tasks feel lighter. You break old cycles. You rebuild trust in yourself. Tip 11. You think confidence starts with results. It actually starts with identity. Identity drives behavior. When your identity feels weak, your actions follow. Choose a simple identity line. I am someone who keeps growing. Repeat it daily. A listener used this during a comeback from burnout. She felt stronger each week. You feel aligned with your goals. You stay consistent. Next is the final strategy. It closes the loop on self-sabotage. Tip 12. You lose confidence when you forget what you want. Clarity removes sabotage. Without clarity, you wander. You doubt yourself. Use the one goal filter. Choose one main goal for the day. Not 3, just 1. It can be one call, one habit, one clear action. A listener named Ari used this to manage anxiety. He picked one goal each morning. He hit it. He felt powerful. You feel focused. You feel confident. You feel in control. You now have tools to answer the big question inside this audiobook. Are you silently sabotaging your confidence? Wrap up. Each strategy you learned trains your mind to stop old patterns. Your confidence grows when you take small actions. Try one simple practice today. Use the one goal filter tomorrow morning. Pick one goal, hit it, build trust, build your comeback.